Right then, let's talk about helicopters, but not just any helicopters. We're focusing on the titans of the sky, the heavy-duty machines that redefine what's possible in aviation. Forget the sightseeing tours and leisurely flights. We're diving deep into the world of true heavy lifters, the helicopters engineered for serious work. These aren't your average choppers, they're the workhorses of the skies. These cargo helicopters are like flying lorries, but with the added advantage of being able to go virtually anywhere. They are the aerial equivalent of a heavy-duty truck, capable of carrying incredible loads. They're able to bypass roads, bridges, and traffic with ease, offering a direct route where ground transportation simply can't compete. Imagine soaring above gridlock, delivering essential supplies directly to their destination. Their main job? Pick up massive loads, often weighing several tons. These helicopters are built to handle the kind of cargo that would be impossible for other aircraft, and deliver them where nothing else can reach, whether it's a remote mountaintop, a disaster zone, or a construction site in the middle of nowhere. They bring essential resources and equipment to places that are otherwise inaccessible. Imagine needing to get a Land Rover to a mountaintop, a task that would typically involve days of difficult driving or even be completely impossible. These machines make it possible in minutes, transforming logistical nightmares into simple, efficient operations. They represent a quantum leap in transportation capabilities. They're the unsung heroes of military logistics, providing critical support in challenging environments and ensuring that troops have the supplies they need wherever they are. They are vital in disaster relief, delivering food, medicine, and other essential supplies to communities cut off by natural disasters. And they play a crucial role in huge construction projects, lifting heavy materials into place with pinpoint accuracy, speeding up construction timelines, and reducing costs. Standing next to one, you really get a sense of their scale. You realize just how enormous and powerful they are, dwarfing everything around them and inspiring a sense of awe. With roaring turbines and giant blades, they create an incredible symphony of power. They defy gravity, effortlessly lifting incredible weights into the air, and operate in the harshest environments on Earth, from scorching deserts to icy mountains, proving their resilience and adaptability. So, how do they do it? What makes them so strong and versatile? What are the secrets behind their incredible lifting power and maneuverability? We'll explore the physics, the engines, the advanced engineering that makes these machines possible, and the clever ways they haul their loads, from intricate rigging systems to advanced cargo management techniques. And we'll get up close with the legendary CH-47 Chinook, one of the most iconic and capable heavy-lift helicopters ever built. Strap in. We're diving into the world of the sky's most powerful workhorses, exploring their capabilities and the technology that makes them so extraordinary. It's going to be loud, epic, and you might just learn something new about the incredible feats of engineering that allow these helicopters to perform their amazing tasks. Let's get started. The magic of rotors. How does a multi-ton metal box fly? It seems almost impossible, defying gravity with such apparent ease. But behind this aerial ballet lies a fascinating blend of physics and engineering. It's all about the spinning rotor blades, which act like rotating wings. These aren't just any wings, they're dynamic, adaptable surfaces constantly adjusting to the needs of the flight. Their carefully designed shape creates lift. This shape, known as an airfoil, is crucial to generating the upward force needed to overcome gravity. It does so by making air move faster over the top than underneath. This difference in airspeed creates a pressure differential, with lower pressure above and higher pressure below, resulting in lift. The main rotor lifts, providing the primary force that keeps the helicopter airborne, but it also tries to spin the helicopter's body. Enter the tail rotor, a smaller rotor located at the tail. This ingenious device counteracts the torque produced by the main rotor, which keeps everything stable and prevents the helicopter from spinning uncontrollably. Pilots use the cyclic stick to tilt the rotor disc, the plane in which the rotor blades spin. Tilting the rotor disc forward moves the helicopter forward, allowing for controlled horizontal movement, backward, by tilting the rotor disc in the opposite direction, or sideways, offering unparalleled maneuverability. The collective lever changes the pitch of all blades at once, increasing or decreasing the angle at which they meet the air, thereby controlling altitude. It's a constant balancing act between lift, stability, and direction, requiring precise coordination and skill from the pilot. Every movement is a mechanical ballet, a symphony of interconnected systems working in perfect harmony. This complex dance is happening hundreds of times a minute, demanding incredible precision and reliability. The result? Total control in 3 dimensions, allowing helicopters to perform feats that are impossible for fixed-wing aircraft. Main rotor for lift, the heart of the helicopter's ability to defy gravity. Tail rotor for stability, ensuring a smooth and controlled flight. Cyclic for direction, providing the pilot with precise control over horizontal movement. Collective for altitude, allowing the pilot to ascend and descend with ease. It's complex, but when it works, it's pure poetry in motion, a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess. That's the secret behind the helicopter's unique abilities, its capacity to hover, take off vertically, and maneuver in tight spaces. Next, let's see what makes a cargo chopper tick. Onward, to explore the world of heavy-lift helicopters. Let's look under the hood of these aerial beasts. First, the engine's massive gas turbines like jet engines, but built to turn rotors. Most heavy lifters have 2 engines for power and safety. The cockpit is a high-tech nerve center packed with digital displays and controls. Pilots use the cyclic, collective, and pedals to command the machine with precision. The fuselage is a giant hollow tube think-flying warehouse with ramps for quick loading. Inside you'll find rollers and tie-downs for everything from pallets to vehicles. The transmission is the unsung hero, converting engine power into the slow, powerful spin needed for the rotors. Without it, all that power would go nowhere. Every part is engineered for strength, reliability, and efficiency. That's what keeps these giants in the sky. When it comes to moving cargo across vast distances or into challenging terrains, helicopters offer unparalleled versatility. They have 2 primary options for hauling substantial loads. They can choose to secure the cargo inside the aircraft or suspend it underneath. Internal loads offer a number of advantages. They are inherently safer and more aerodynamic, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. Furthermore, internal cargo is protected from the elements, ensuring that sensitive equipment or supplies arrive in optimal condition. The main cabin can be efficiently packed with a wide array of supplies, from essential provisions to specialized equipment. It can also transport troops swiftly to their destinations, or even accommodate entire vehicles, providing unparalleled tactical mobility. Everything is meticulously strapped down tight, ensuring the safety and security of the load during flight. But what happens if the cargo exceeds the internal capacity of the helicopter? If it's simply too big to fit inside, then it's time for sling loading, a technique that allows helicopters to transport massive objects that would otherwise be impossible to move. This involves carefully hanging the cargo beneath the helicopter, suspended by a robust system of cables and hooks. A specialized cargo hook and incredibly strong cables, capable of withstanding immense tension, let the chopper lift virtually anything imaginable, defying the limitations of conventional transport. From standard shipping containers filled with essential goods, to heavy vehicles needed on the front lines. It's a truly spectacular sight to behold, a testament to the power and ingenuity of aviation engineering. But flying with an external load is undeniably tricky, demanding exceptional skill and precision from the flight crew. The cargo can swing unpredictably, especially during turns or sudden maneuvers, making stability a constant challenge, especially when battling strong winds or turbulent weather conditions. Pilots must fly with utmost care and concentration, constantly adjusting their controls to maintain a stable and controlled flight path. And in the event of an emergency, they can jettison the load, prioritizing the safety of the crew and the aircraft. This remarkable ability to carry awkward, oversized loads regardless of their shape or weight is precisely what makes cargo helicopters such an invaluable asset in a wide range of industries and applications. Whether it's lifting heavy materials on a construction site, transporting logs from remote forests, or delivering essential supplies to troops in the field, they consistently get the job done, overcoming logistical challenges that would be insurmountable for other forms of transportation. Internal or external, each method has its own set of advantages and considerations. Ultimately, it's all about flexibility, adapting to the specific requirements of the mission, and choosing the most efficient and effective approach. That's the art of heavy lifting in the sky, a delicate balance of power, precision, and adaptability. Now let's meet the undisputed king of them all, a true behemoth of the skies, renowned for its exceptional lifting capabilities, the CH-47 Chinook. Meet the Boeing CH-47 Chinook, the king of heavy-lift helicopters. Its 2 massive rotors spin in opposite directions, canceling out torque and maximizing lift. No tail rotor needed, just pure power from its twin turbine engines. The Chinook can carry over 10 tons, think 2 elephants slung beneath it. Inside it fits up to 55 soldiers or military vehicles. Its tandem rotors give it unmatched stability and a forgiving center of gravity. Pilots can land it on ledges or rooftops with just the rear wheels touching down. In service since the 1960s, it's been a workhorse in wars and disasters worldwide. From battlefields to wildfires, the Chinook is a symbol of help on the way. Its iconic sound is recognized everywhere, a true legend of aviation. The cargo helicopter's superpower? Ignoring terrain. Trucks need roads, ships need water, but helicopters need only a patch of ground, or none at all. They reach places no other vehicle can, leaping mountains, crossing deserts, and hopping islands. In disasters, they're first in, delivering aid and rescuing the stranded. For the military, they move troops and gear where ground convoys can't go. They lift artillery to mountaintops and supply remote bases. In civilian life, they haul logs from forests, lift equipment onto skyscrapers, and build in impossible places. If you need something heavy moved somewhere hard to reach, they're the answer. They're the ultimate problem solvers for a world full of obstacles. That's the power of vertical lift, and it's why they're indispensable. So there you have it. The cargo helicopter is more than just a big chopper. It's a masterpiece of engineering, built to lift the impossible and go anywhere. From spinning rotors to roaring turbines, every part is designed for power and precision. The CH-47 Chinook stands as the ultimate example. 60 years of unmatched performance. It's a symbol of hope, strength, and reliability around the world. These machines redefine what's possible, delivering help and solving problems where nothing else can. They're the unsung heroes of humanitarian missions and military logistics. Loud, powerful, and awe-inspiring, true legends of the sky. The freedom to go anywhere to help anyone is what makes them epic, absolutely brilliant.